Is honey the healthy, natural sweetener it's made out to be, or could it be adding hidden sugar to your diet? In today's video, we'll uncover the truth about honey, its benefits, potential downsides, and tips on how to use it the right way. And stick around for a simple honey-based recipe that you can try at home. Let's start with the benefits of honey. Honey is more than just a sweetener. It's packed with antioxidants that can help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. The darker the honey, the higher the concentration of antioxidants. Honey is also known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's been used for centuries to help with wound healing and soothe sore throats. In fact, studies show that honey can be as effective as some over-the-counter cough medications. Another benefit is that honey is rich in natural sugars, which can provide a quick energy boost. This makes it a popular choice among athletes and those who need an energy pick-me-up. But as good as honey sounds, there are some downsides to consider. One of the biggest issues is that honey is still a form of sugar. 1 tablespoon contains around 17 grams of sugar and 64 calories, so overconsumption can lead to weight gain and affect blood sugar levels. This is particularly important for people managing diabetes or those who are sensitive to sugar. While honey may have a lower glycemic index than refined sugar, it should still be used in moderation. Another potential risk is for infants under the age of 1. Honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, which can lead to infant botulism, a serious condition. So, never give honey to children under 1 year old. So, how can you get the benefits of honey without the risks? Here are a few simple tips. First, use honey in moderation. A small amount goes a long way in adding sweetness to your dishes without adding too many calories. Second, choose raw or unpasteurized honey when possible. It retains more antioxidants and beneficial enzymes compared to processed honey. Lastly, pair honey with foods rich in fiber, protein, or healthy fats to help balance blood sugar levels. Honey can be used in tea, drizzled on yogurt, or added to oatmeal for a natural touch of sweetness. In summary, honey can be a nutritious and natural sweetener packed with antioxidants and health benefits. But it's important to enjoy it in moderation to avoid excess sugar intake. How do you like to use honey? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick and easy recipe. Mix honey, lemon juice, and a bit of ginger for a homemade immune-boosting tea. Perfect for chilly days or when you're feeling under the weather. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time.